PTH Speedy Grader is a state-of-the-art grading machine designed to provide quick and precise grading results. This machine is equipped with advanced sensors and algorithms that work together to deliver accurate and efficient grading performance. The PTH Speedy Grader features a powerful laser system that scans the material being graded, providing an accurate and detailed representation of the material's shape and contour. The laser system is coupled with an advanced image processing system that uses computer vision algorithms to analyze the captured data and produce a 3D model of the material. This 3D model is then processed by the machine's intelligent grading algorithm, which uses advanced mathematical algorithms to determine the most optimal grading solution for the material. The algorithm takes into account various parameters, such as material properties, grading specifications, and equipment limitations, to deliver an accurate and efficient grading result.